to it. So highest time frame, still trading within the same range again. Um, we hop straight to the 1 hour, still trading within this same range. So this will make the fourth day within this range. So now let's go to the 10 minute. Now what I'll say is my take is a little bit more bullish now because I would have expected by yesterday it would have broke out. The fact that it hasn't had enough momentum to break the low that was created yesterday around the time we traded lets me know that price might want to move up and that this 1 hour zone right here might actually be reactive. Like it might have some power to it, might have some hold to it. So we're just gonna go to the 10 minute, see what's going on. All right. So when we go to the 10 minute, see this is the last. Boom. This was the last low. Broke, created a low here, and created the high that was there. Well, technically this would be the high. So this is a high probability 10 minute zone, 10 minute range, but it is downtrending. And again, it doesn't fall with outside of this zone at all. So because of that, I'm not drawing a zone in here because I'm only looking for buys while price is trading within here. So even though we have a high probability 10 minute supply opportunity to sell off of, I don't want to look to sell while I'm in a I don't want to look for a 10 minute sell while I'm in within a 1 hour demand. I'll rather just be patient, wait for structure to play itself out, and see if buy opportunities present itself. So now we want to go to the 5 minute. We see the 10 minutes pushed, retraced, pushed down again, rejected. Like it's not even the cleanest 10 minute we could get. It's showing that it doesn't want to break the low. So let's go to the 5 minute, see what we got 5 minute wise. So 5 minute wise, what do we see? Let's just trying to find some structure that we could pick up on here. Really, you know what? We're not even about to stay all the way over there. We're about to come over here where it's clean, right? So we have this broken, this right here broken, boom. So similar to the 10 minute, we got like the same thing on the 5 minute. We got a 5 minute high, and we got this is the 5 minute low. It is actually a high probability sell opportunity, but again, I'm not looking for any sales within this area. Within while it's still playing within this 15-minute demand zone, I am not looking for any sales. I'm only looking for buy opportunities. So I can go to the 2 minute. Let's see. Okay, so on the 2 minute, there's really nothing because it matches the 5 minute. So we can skip ahead to see, like we could consider this a little bit of a high. So let's see if that gets broken. So it is get broken. But when it's broken, it's literally not a high probability. So we would be waiting. Boom, it broke it again. Still not high probability. So at this point, we're just waiting to see if the 5 or 10 minute could break because the 2 minute hasn't formed anything high probability with the inside of this 5 minute structure. So let's skip ahead, skip through. Okay, boom. Price broke right here. First thing we want to do, go to the 2 minute, not high probability. Looking at the 1 minute, not high probability. So all we're looking to do is adjust. So move our 5 minute there. 5 minute low. This was the lowest point. Price got to. And that's it. We have new structure. Well, really, this don't even count on the 5 minute. So let's take a chill pill. Step back. Oh, yeah. Yes, it does. The 5 minute was broken here. So the 5 minute was broken. And there's still no high probability zone. So let's just let price continue out. Let's see if we get anything today. So for me in my live session, I actually only took one trade. And it came along at the very end, which you guys will see. But really, the market really hasn't had any push. Looking at yesterday, we took no trades. Today, we almost went our entire session without a trade. A little bit of momentum and structure presented itself at the very, very end that gave me an opportunity, but yeah, for the most part, price hasn't been moving. All right, so I think this is getting close to it. Boom, boom. So let's go to the 2 minute. So on the 2 minute, what do we see? Price didn't break, didn't break. It broke, pushed above, and but it didn't close above. So this is also not high probability. So we could draw our 2 minute structure, which is really just a 2 minute high there. Let's see if it broke on the 5 minute too, though. It broke on the 5 minute. Let's see if the 5 minute's high probability. Nope. And yep, it started to pull back. So actually, we could just draw 5 minute because the 5 minute and 2 minute align. So 5 minute high is here. 5 minute low would be this lowest point. All right. And let's just continue waiting and seeing what happens. Boom. Price pushed out right there. Let's look on our 2 minute, see what that gives us. We got a break above, close. Boom. Another break, push above. So now on the 2 minute, we actually have a high probability opportunity. So we'll do the high there. Let's see if it goes again. Nope, that started the retest, the retracement. Boom, the lowest it got was here. Minute. And let's see. Falls right perfectly within there. So we're going to leave it just like that. Now let's see about the 5 minute. 5 minute broke, but it wasn't high probability. So we'll switch this 2 minute high out for the 5 minute high because we understand it's the same. But we wouldn't draw a 5 minute zone. We would just draw the... So technically, this isn't high probability 5 minute. All we have at the 5 minute is that price broke it right here, pushed up, and then pushed straight back down. So this is the 5 minute range, and it hasn't even solidified that this is the end of the 5 minute push yet. So we're trading strictly off of what we're seeing on the 2 minute. So let's go. Boom. We got a retest. So now we just need a confirmation candle. Let's see what we get. Cool. We got to push deeper. Push deeper. Boom. We got a confirmation candle. Look to get in a little bit above. What do we have? We can go 7 because we know our stop loss is actually 8. That's right there. 7 times. So that's 16.5 is our TP. Alright. So let's see if we are in it. Boom. We are immediately entered into this trade. Let's go to the 5 minute now. Okay, so the 5 minute did solidify this as the high, as it made this the high and broke. So the 5 minute structure range is from here to here. So let's see if it gets broken. Let's see what happens. On the 2 minute, we don't have anything to manage. On the 1 minute, we don't have anything to manage either. As of right now, if we lose this trade, price is just going to stop us out. So let's fast forward. Let's see if we get any structural breaks. Perfect. So price broke structure here, at least on the 2 minute. We could check the 5 minute. 5 minute, there was no break. 2 minute, we got a break though. So on the 2 minute, our new high is here, and our new low, price pullback, is here. So we still really don't have anywhere to manage this trade that is appropriate to our 2 minute. I mean, we could go to the 1 minute, but it's really kind of the same structure. You might want to say this area, but it's not a high probability area. I mean, at this point, it would just be rushing it. And for me, it's like I've waited this whole session for this one opportunity. I'm not going to rush out of it if I don't have a solid exit confirmation. So based off my exit confirmation, we didn't get a 2 candle push. So the only thing I'm going off of is this low, which is exactly where my stop loss is. So again, if I get stopped out of this trade, I would just get stopped out fully because there's no structure or high probability structure for me to protect my move at the moment. So let's go through, see what's happening. Boom. Price came through. Well, remember our stop loss is actually 8. So it got close, didn't wick it just yet. But then it came through and stopped us out. So we took a L there. Because it was testing the zone only a second time and it tested deeper, I was giving price an opportunity here to see if it would presented a bullish candle there, but immediately fell. Then it gave us one bullish candle here and immediately fell. So after that, it was basically the end of my session. So we only ended up taking one trade today, and it was a really good trade. It gave us good, clean structure, nice 2 candle push outside of the zone, came down, even gave us a little bit of a push to the upside, but couldn't keep pushing. It just immediately reversed back down. We took our 1L for the day, and hey, we learned from it, move on. Going into the weekend, well, this is Christmas weekend, so Monday the market will be closed for the most part. I mean, even if it's not closed, I ain't trading it. Not on Christmas. So I will be back Tuesday the 26th, but I go into the weekend, get the opportunity to review this week's trades, and come back. So we learn, we move on, and show up next week with a clean, fresh slate, clean, fresh mindset to do everything over again.